It is not a form of spirituality, but every spiritual person feels that spiritual depth in such natural settings. You understand what I'm trying to say? That any spiritual person, whenever they go out into nature, they naturally feel withdrawn inside, drawn inside, and feel more at peace and more with, as we say, with nature. And that focus of being drawn inside gives you peace. And that's why you think it is spirituality. Think of a murderer who chases girls and takes them into forests in a secluded place, rapes them, and kills them. So, being in the forest, being in the nature, does not mean you have become spiritual. But a spiritual person benefits a lot from such settings.